took a 1 hour flight, and now we're in Maui, and we're heading to the Westin Resort.
You have arrived.
We wanted to see the other side of the island, so now we're staying at the Fairmont on the other side. So we were staying at the Westin before. You guys keep asking me to vlog more. You guys keep DMing me, so I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. My computer now has 10 gigabytes, which is better than 0 kilobytes. So let's try to vlog even more. This is what it looks like when you step out of our room and go to walk. We just had a really nice breakfast, and now we are obsessing over teacup Persian cats. And I want one so bad. We're at Monkey Pod, and we got some fish tacos, like ahi tuna, margarita pizza, some salad. It all looks pretty good.
It's statistical analysis. You can skew the data.
Hike, and they gave us backpacks that we filled with snacks. They had what? I'll wait for you. You go first.
You want to check?
And now we got porta potties that we have to go in because it's a 4-hour hike before we come back here. And I'm excited. Are you excited? Ryan? Are you excited?
Maybe.
We got these really cute, like, actual, like, JanSport bags. And then we got, like, turkey sandwiches and Lay's and, yeah!
Yes.
My phone. We just went swimming. I might not look so wet because my legs are literally numb because it's so cold, so I wasn't able to go in fully, but we just went swimming in that. Just got some fresh passion fruit. Oh, my camera.
I couldn't stop. Couldn't stop eating it.
Is it 4 years? No. Oh, it's not focused.
Holding my face up, but I kept going.
Ooh, it looks really weird. But
Go get
tastes
some more
really
of those. I'll probably do it again.
So you see here where
an avocado. Thanks. Now we're at another waterfall. We took some pictures. It is currently raining a little bit, but that's okay. And now we're sitting on some rocks, eating some lunch in some backpacks that they gave us. Great. Got some turkey sandwiches. Got a great view. Pretty good. Another waterfall where I did go swimming. As you can see, I'm soaking wet, and it was so cold. And I was literally like freezing, and I just jumped in, and it was nice, and now I'm out because my legs are basically numb. Great. We swam in that and tried to get under the waterfall, but the current was so strong that it was way too hard. Sadly, our trip is over, and now we're on the flight to LA and then to Toronto, and it's 10 o'clock, and it's going to be a 5-hour flight to LA, and then a 5-hour flight from LA to Toronto, and